Welcome to your morning meditation. Start by taking a deep breath in, slowly filling your lungs. As you exhale, allow any lingering stress or tension to melt away. This is your time, a moment to center yourself, let go of yesterday, and fully embrace the energy of today. Gently close your eyes and let your shoulders relax. Feel the weight of your body settle, grounding you in this moment. With each breath, feel a sense of calm entering your mind and body, and let any distractions fade into the background. Today I invite calm, focus, and clarity into my life. I am present, and I choose to embrace this day with openness and gratitude. Each breath brings me closer to a state of peace and positivity. Breathe in deeply. As you inhale, feel the energy of the new day fill you. And as you exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Any fears, doubts, or worries. Imagine them melting away, leaving space for positivity and peace. Today, I align myself with the energy of abundance and possibility. I am grateful for the opportunities before me and ready to create meaningful experiences. I trust that life is unfolding perfectly, and I am exactly where I need to be. I am calm, I am grounded, I am centered. With each breath, I feel my connection to this moment deepen. I am in control of my thoughts, my emotions, and my actions. I choose to approach this day with a balanced and open mind. In this moment, I release any need to rush or worry. I give myself permission to slow down and fully experience the beauty around me. I am here, I am safe, and I am at peace. Today, I am open to receiving love, joy, and abundance in every form. I deserve happiness, and I allow it to flow freely into my life. I am grateful for all the blessings I have and excited for what lies ahead. As I breathe, I feel an inner strength rising within me. I am resilient, capable, and confident. I have overcome challenges before, and I trust that I will continue to grow and thrive. Today I choose kindness and compassion toward myself and others. I release judgment and embrace understanding. I am at peace with myself and feel deep gratitude for all that I am. I am grateful for my body, my mind, and my spirit. I honor my body by treating it with care, listening to its needs, and fueling it with positivity. My mind is clear, my body is strong, and my spirit is light. Today I choose to see the beauty in the small things. I welcome joy and find peace in the present. I embrace the journey, knowing that every step I take brings me closer to my goals. As I move through this day, I am guided by my inner wisdom. I trust myself to make the best decisions and to follow my intuition. I am confident in my ability to handle anything that comes my way. I am grateful for this moment and for the gift of a new day. I will fill it with positive actions, compassionate thoughts, and mindful choices. I am in harmony with myself and the world around me. Take a deep breath, inhaling all the positive energy around you. Hold it gently for a moment, feeling its warmth. And as you exhale, feel a sense of lightness, as if you're releasing any remaining worries or doubts. Take a deep breath, inhaling all the positive energy around you. Hold it gently for a moment, feeling its warmth. And as you exhale, feel a sense of lightness, as if you're releasing any remaining worries or doubts. Let these affirmations sink in deeply. Imagine them as seeds planted within you, ready to grow throughout your day, filling it with peace, joy, and purpose. As we come to the end of this meditation, begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you. Take a moment to feel grateful for this time you've given yourself. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation. I hope you carry this sense of calm and positivity with you throughout your day. Before we end, could I ask for a small favor? If you enjoyed this meditation, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us bring more peaceful, uplifting content to you. Wishing you a beautiful, peaceful, and purposeful day. Thank you.